Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and had a great Diwali and festive season. So today's video is going to be a lipstick review video. I did try the cheapest lipsticks I found on Amazon, and I'm really excited to share this review with you guys. Now if you have watched my haul video previously, I did show those two lipsticks, and those are from the brand called Milap. So I have two shades with me, and I want to briefly talk about them and also do lip swatches and tell you whether it's worth it or not. So if this video interests you, if you like to know more about these lipsticks, please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like beauty and lifestyle related content, and if you wish to support my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is absolutely free at this point, and it has always been so far. So please subscribe to my channel, and also there is a bell notification next to it. If you click on that and select all, every time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get started now. Okay friends, I'm going to start with the review right away. In order to prep my lips, I have gone ahead and used Boroline because these lipsticks are dry, and I'm going to tell you why in a moment. Now I did buy these from Amazon. I first spotted these lipsticks on Nidhi Katiyar's channel, who is a fellow YouTuber. She owns the brand Cuffs and Lashes. So she was doing a video where she was trying out different lipsticks. So I saw this lipstick for 65. I was like, yes, I wanted I to try it because if you know me, if you know my YouTube journey and my blog journey, which is going to complete like 9 years in January, I have always reviewed and discovered new affordable products in the market, and I have reviewed them on my blog and my YouTube channel. So when I saw it was 65, I was like, yes, I want to try this. Now the good part is that it is priced at 65, but that is not the original MRP. I'll place a screenshot over here, and it is actually priced at 199, but they are giving it for 65 on Amazon, and that is the best place to buy it क्योंकि Flipkart वगैरह पे इतना डिस्काउंट नहीं मिल रहा है. I don't know why here it is so cheap, but it is what it is. Now they do have a lot of shades. I'm not sure how many they have, it's not mentioned here. They do have a website as well, I think milapcosmetics.com. So if you go there, it will tell you how many shades. If I find out, I'll mention it on the screen. Now I did go through their Amazon description. It says Milap 926 lipstick, and yeah, that is what they say, and nothing much is mentioned. It says a long wearing matte lipstick, highly pigmented, intense and opaque finish, lightweight with maximum coverage. Okay, so big claims for a 65 rupees lipstick, but it's okay, we'll see how the lipstick fare. So this is how it looks like on Amazon. Can you see that? And I have been scrolling and I purchased two shades. One is like a neutral color and one is a pink. Now I want to buy more lipstick, but I do not like the fact that they charge 80 rupees for shipping. So that is really bad, and I really felt irritated, but I wanted to try this lipstick so desperately, so I had to go ahead and purchase it because I also wanted to review it out here on my channel. I checked on Amazon Prime, वहाँ पे भी वो option है ही नहीं free shipping का, so I was kind of disappointed. So that is only one drawback I find. Now I really like the bullet. Can you see that? This is how the lipsticks look like. So they do come in this plasticky matte kind of finish packaging, and this is how it's mentioned out here. It says 9 to 6 matte lips, and the name of the brand is Milap. So according to Nidhi, it's supposed to be a Delhi based brand. I'm not sure about this brand, I do not know much about them, but they kind of have affordable makeup products. If you want, you can check them out. Amazon पे भी मिल रहा है. I really like the packaging. I'm a fan of this packaging. I think the color matches the lipstick bullet, and also you can easily look at the color. बाहर से दिख जाता है. I like these kind of transparent cases, so this is a personal choice. Now the shade that I have purchased is says 9 to 6 matte lips, and the first shade is TM Coffee 519. So that is what it is, TM Coffee. So this is a beautiful neutral brown color with orange undertones, if you can see that. And let me do a hand swatch. This is how it looks like. So it's basically a brown with orange rusty kind of undertones to it. This is very similar to that lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. I don't remember the name right now, and it was quite famous. If I remember the name, I'll mention it here on the screen. This is a tad bit darker than that one. And this one, the next one I have is Manhattan Rose 508. So that is what it is. It's a beautiful pink shade. And let me do a hand swatch as well. This is how Manhattan Rose looks like. So I really like both the colors. They are right up my alley, and I will definitely be using them in the future. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these lipsticks on my lips, and I'm going to do lip swatches towards the next part of the video. But before that, briefly let me tell you that these lipsticks are pretty much dry. Now it says matte lips, and it stands true to it, saying it is completely matte. तो आपको पहले lip balm लगाना पड़ेगा, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा रगड़ना पड़ेगा लिप्स पे, बट finish is nice and opaque, so I really like that about these lipsticks. Now there is like a toffee kind of scent to it, so it doesn't smell funky, but the thing about these lipstick is that इसमें ingredients क्या है कुछ पता नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग या एक्सपायरी डेट नहीं है. So as long as the lipstick doesn't go weird, like the formula gets weird, or if there is mold on top of it, you can completely use it. I think a lipstick shelf life is around 2 to 3 years, so it totally depends on you. If you are experimental, if you want to try a new lipstick which is like really cheap, you can definitely go for these ones. I am not saying that they are really bad. They are nice lipstick for 65 rupees. इससे बेहतर आपको कुछ मिल नहीं सकता है. And I think this brand Milap is quite known. It's a known brand. ऐसा नहीं कि कभी इसके बारे में सुना नहीं है. I have personally not heard it because I am from Bombay, so I'm not sure about the Delhi based brand, but that's how I came to know from Nidhi's channel. So yeah, these were the two lipsticks. They are quite dry and you have थोड़ा रगड़ना पड़ता है, quite opaque है, and they last pretty long, I would say, because they are matte lipsticks, but they kind of accentuate the lines on the lips, so you have to exfoliate your lips, then you have to apply lip balm, and then then apply these lipsticks on top of it. For 65 rupees they are not bad, and I would definitely recommend it. Alright friends, so that was my short review of these Milap 926 matte lipstick. I think they are decent for 65. आपको और क्या चाहिए? Only drawback is that it is 80 rupees. There is no mention of expiry date, manufacturing date. Also there is no mention of ingredients. If you are not very picky, if you are experimental, you can give these lipsticks a try. They are not that bad, and I did not find any fault as such. It is a bit drying. Well, obviously it's matte lipstick, तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत उसमें effort करना पड़ेगा. Other than that, they are decent lipsticks and you can definitely give it a try. I'll mention the link from where you can buy it on Amazon. If you want, you can buy from my link. And yeah, you can try these lipsticks. In case if you have tried these lipsticks, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So this was my review on the Milap 926 matte lipsticks. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And yes, give this video a big thumbs up, share it on your social media, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And before I go, before I leave, I just want to mention that lip swatches are coming up next, so please stay tuned. Bye bye for now.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.